channel. Myself Tanvi Margade, and today I am going to show you how to make curd. So let's start. So first we are going to take a pot and add 1 liter of milk. Then we are going to heat it until it becomes lukewarm. So now for checking it, we will just put some milk on our hand. If it is too cold, you can again heat it. If it is too hot, you can let it cool down. Now I am going to transfer this milk into this bowl. So now I am going to transfer the milk into this bowl. Now I am going to add 2 spoons of curd. So added the curd, I am going to mix it properly. And then I am going to cover it with a plate, and now we are going to put this in a warm place for 10 to 12 hours. So after 10 to 12 hours, my curd will look like this. Now you can see how thick and creamy it looks. So please try this at home. Thanks for watching my video. Till that time, bye bye.